If you're not fueling your body with the right nutrients, especially while your appetite is artificially suppressed, you're losing muscle and strength. And that is the wrong way to lose weight. Everyone seems to be microdosing Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, tirzepatide, and this is to lose 10 to 15 pounds. No one's talking about the long-term health effects, especially for women in perimenopause or menopause. Yes, these drugs will suppress your appetite. Yes, you can lose weight, even eating a poor diet. But the question is, at what cost? You might be losing fat, but you're also losing muscle. You might be eating less, but you're probably undernourished. And what if you stop taking these drugs? You can expect to regain a pound of pure fat per week, not muscle, for every week that you go off of it after a few weeks' time, when it really wears off. The muscle you lost if you weren't strength training the entire time you were on therapy, that is gone. And it could take a full year of consistent strength training to rebuild it. You can use it as a tool and use it as a step up, not a lifelong crutch. If you're also learning what and how much to eat for your body size, your muscle mass, and your activity level, that's the way to do it. That knowledge is what's going to help you taper off, stay on a lower dose, or get off entirely without regaining the weight. And so here's what actually works long-term in a healthy way. Protein-forward meals and strength training to preserve and rebuild the muscle, focusing on animal protein because it contains leucine, unlike plant protein. Leucine is an essential branched-chain amino acid for protein synthesis. Nutritional support for your liver, gut, and digestive health so your metabolism doesn't tank. And most importantly, learning to fuel your body, not deprive it. A doctor will prescribe GLP-1, but a strength coach and certified nutritionist will tell you what to eat and in what amounts, prioritizing protein and specifically what exercises to do for your body and in what repetition set by how many days per week, as well as guide you on getting body scans, and then we review them together. Because shrinking isn't the goal. Thriving in a lean, healthy body is. And GLP-1s can drop the number on the scale. But if you're not eating the right protein and lifting the right weights and tracking what kind of weight you're losing, you could be losing muscle and doing real damage to your metabolism, your muscles, and your bones. Not to mention that your hair, you'll notice, starts to thin and fall out over time from nutrient deficiencies, because that's what happens with these GLP-1s if you're not eating enough of the proper nutrients. And I promise you, no one shot can fix that.